is my huge budget Costco haul. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tiffany and today I'm going to be sharing with you my huge budget Costco haul. We just went to Costco and holy cow, I spent a lot of money. I mean a lot, but we got a lot of stuff. Now we are going to be heading camping here in a few weeks and I just wanted to get ahead of some things. We're going to be taking our RV up into the mountains in Colorado and we love going there and just hanging out, camping, and we do a lot of cooking and it's just a really good fun time with the family. It's kind of just been a tradition that we do every year. So let me show you guys what we got for the camping trip. It's a lot, so get some tea, get a little snack because we got a lot to cover. Okay, so first off, I found these awesome cooler bags. Look how huge they are. They fit so much in here, and these were only $9.99. I don't know if Costco always has these or not, but I've been needing them. We live pretty far from Costco, so every time I go, I need some kind of like cooler bag just to keep all my stuff cold. But dude, I was so impressed with these. They are huge. We put some ice packs in there and it did keep everything nice and cold until we got home. So I love these and that was such a good find. I got 2 of them and they did pretty much all of the cold stuff, and I did use one of my old colder packs. I should have got one more. Maybe next time I go back I'll get another one. So the first thing we got, I got some cream cheese because we do like to make like this cream cheese and chili dip. So we got some cream cheese. We also got this Chihuahua cheese. Now I love putting this on our tacos. This cheese is so good because it melts and it is so flavorful. We got some 3-berry blend. I love to put this in the microwave and heat it up and then put that on top of my cottage cheese. It is like the best snack ever. Of course, we had to get some M&Ms. We're traveling pretty far, so these M&Ms are always a good snack to have on hand for the driver. I got our favorite Ruta Maya coffee. Y'all, this is the best coffee ever. It doesn't make me jittery at all. It's shade grown, and I actually love the medium roast. And I also got some heavy whipping cream. Of course, we're probably not gonna take all of this, but we'll definitely take one. We like to put this on our coffee or even on our protein shakes. I got 2 double loaves of bread. We did the honey wheat, and then I also got some hamburger buns, and we're gonna use these for a couple recipes that we're gonna be doing. We got some Doritos for sandwiches, and we got some bananas, and then I also got this large, this is like the 18-inch heavy duty Reynolds wrap. Tomorrow I'm gonna be smoking a brisket for Father's Day. So this was new. This is grass-fed Wagyu ground beef patties. They're a 1/3 pound each. Now right now we are just absolutely loving Wagyu beef. It is so good. But yeah, we're gonna do some patties probably on the Blackstone grill that we have. We got some cottage cheese. So again, that's gonna be just for snacks and we're gonna put that triple berry blend on top. We got some blueberries and some strawberries. Oh, by the way, this is how I freeze one of these water bottles, and this becomes my ice pack in my cooler, by the way. We got some half and half. This is for our coffee. That's what we always put in our coffee. Now we did get some heavy whipping cream because we're gonna be making a homemade tres leches for Father's Day, so I needed that for that cake. We got some of the 85% lean ground organic beef, so we'll probably do some tacos with this, or we might do hamburgers. And then I also got some of the Wagyu beef here, which again is one of our favorite. This one has a little bit more fat, so when I make enchiladas, I use the oils from it to make my chili sauce, and I'm gonna actually be doing a recipe on that pretty soon on my cooking channel. We got 2 packs of the turkey breast, so this is gonna be for our sandwiches that we're gonna probably be making on the road, or if we go hiking somewhere, we're gonna make sandwiches, and then usually we'll hike somewhere and then have lunch for the day. I got these chicken breast fillets. These are so good, and we're gonna use the buns that I got over there. This is perfect for the days that we're gonna be traveling and I don't really have time to cook, but these I can just warm up in the air fryer or in our convection oven, and then we have dinner and it's ready to go. I saw these Wisp Pop Very Cheddar. I was very intrigued. I don't even know how much these were, but I really thought they looked so good. So I just had to get those. So that was kind of a impulse buy for sure there. And we needed some more chocolate chips for our homemade chocolate chip cookies. We were just kind of replacing what we had low for this. I got, of course, some chicken breast because we'll do some chicken tacos with this, or maybe we'll do some pasta and chicken. So I'll throw this usually in the slow cooker and then we'll go out for the day and then come back and I'll make something with it. So it's just good to have that on hand. Another quick meal that I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna take this chicken breast right here and we put this in the oven and we air fry that, and then usually what I'll do is make some rice with that, and then I usually do like a teriyaki pre-made sauce and we'll just have like a teriyaki bowl. So I did get this 25-pound jasmine rice because we were out. And then also got some frozen green beans. These looked really good. Usually I just get them in the can, but I decided I'm gonna try the frozen this time because they looked delicious. And I love green beans. We got some panko chicken breast for lunches, and this is again gonna be something like if we're traveling or on the road, this is gonna be a quick, easy meal. We can throw this with some rice or just have some chicken, you know, just make a quick meal. And of course we had to I needed to restock our camper with some paper goods and some plastics because we don't do a lot of dishes while we're on the road. We usually have limited water, so I went ahead and got some forks and knives, and we got some bowls, and I got some plastic plates here, and I also got some cups, and this just makes life a lot easier for us. You know, we are a pretty big family traveling, and it's just too hard to do dishes every meal. I just don't have the water and the capacity to do it in, even though we're in a camper. I did get some Gas X because we are going to Colorado, and the altitude that we're going to is usually about 8,500 feet, and sometimes we even go up to 1,300 if we're hiking. So the first few days that we're up in that high altitude, sometimes some people get a little bloated, and this just helps release some of that gas that gets trapped in. So it's just part of being in that high altitude that this really helps. And we also will bring Gatorade because that helps hydrate, because you don't want to get like any kind of altitude sickness. So we always have Gatorade on hand, and everybody's always drinking a ton of water that first few days that we get there. These pretzels are my daughter's favorite, and she just had to have some, so that will be some good snacks. And we also decided to get some goldfish just for some snacks as well. Just good to have that on the go and for lunches. And these are actually on instant savings. I think they were $3.50 off. Normally I don't buy them like this, but I think it was a pretty good deal. You could get like 54 bags for them, and they were, you know, on instant savings, so got to save some money. Another steal that we found, you guys, have y'all ever seen this Babe Original brand? So if you don't know, this brand I think is known for their lashes, their lash serum, and I did buy that a few months ago, and I've been using it on my eyelashes, and I have to say they are longer, they are thicker. I haven't seen my lashes like this in forever, and I could not believe that it actually worked. I don't know if you can even see it. They've kind of fallen for the day a little bit. I like to curl them. But they had the mascara on clearance for $9.97. You get two for the price of $9.97. I couldn't believe it. So they had about 5 left. I grabbed 2 of them because it was such a great deal, and I'm so excited to use this. I think it's gonna be really good. Let me know, have you guys used this before? And then I saw this. This is the brow serum. So it is supposed to have fuller looking brows in just 6 weeks. So I was a sucker. I went ahead and bought it because I had such good results with my eyelashes that, hey, you know what? I need some more eyebrows. I do. So be sure, and I will check back with you and let you know. But yeah, I'm so excited about it, and I can't wait to start using it. One thing that I did not show was our drinks. Now we got some Topo Chicos. My husband loves those. Have you ever had them? They're like so good, so bubbly. I also went to Walmart today because I had to buy a lot of ingredients for my cooking channel, but I decided I'm not gonna put that in with this one today. But if you wanna know what I'm making, head over there. Be sure to subscribe because we've got so many great recipes coming up, and I know if you're into cooking and you like to watch people cook, you'll like that too. All right guys, you guys let me know, what is your normal grocery budget? Do you have a budget when you go into the store? Like, is that something that you guys do? Let me know in the comments down below. I just wonder, like, if people go into the store and they're like, I have a budget and this is what I can spend, or I have a list and this is what I'm gonna get, or they just kind of get what they need and go through each aisle. I'm just curious. Well guys, this was my huge Costco budget grocery haul. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!